Now there was a flaw in the last program I showed you, which is if the user puts in a non-number, then you tell them, hey, you messed up, but then nothing happens. I mean, the program's over. Now you didn't get an error, so that was good, but we need a new flow control, is what it's called in programming, concept, and we're going to use a while loop. And what while does is it keeps looping over the same code until a false condition is met. Now, if you'll notice here in my code, I did just while and it's capital true. And that is a special keyword in Python that is always true, obviously. And so while true, meaning it will never quit looping. If that was all we did, this would be an endless loop and, kind of weird, not much fun. Although you could keep asking the question over and over until the user shut the program down. I put the code from the last time in, but now notice it again has a colon, which tells Python that this is a new code block and you have to indent everything underneath that while true. So I take the old code, I indent it, and then I add a statement down here which is called break. Now what break does is it says, I'm done, get me out of this loop, it's over. So the effect of that is until they put in a number that works, it will hit the exception, tell them they didn't do it right, go back to the top of the loop, it's still true, it will always be true, and then ask again. So let's see that in action here. So we're going to go here and I'm going to do a bad number. Oh, you didn't input it and it asked for it again. I'm going to do no again, and then I'm going to do something that will work, and voila. So now go back and let's practice this on your own. Set up some user input questions that you have to convert to a number. Maybe you take kilograms to pounds. Maybe you have some other fun calculation you want to do. The important thing is that you go do it. You'll run into little errors. Look them up on Google. Figure it out. This is your chance to start, really exercising those programming muscles, because if you wait until it gets complex and then you hit the simple errors that you would have figured out before, it gets overwhelming and it's hard to finish anything or get it to work. Now, if you like these videos, subscribe. I'm going to keep coming out with them. I'm going to cover all range of topics here. Hit that like button so I can help more people, and I'll see you in the next one.